Hello guys, welcome back to a new section of Core Java tutorial. In the previous part we already see what is interface in Java, what is the use of interfaces in Java. So now in this part also we are going to learn something more about interfaces in Java. An interface can extend other interfaces also, like inheritance in Java. An interface can extend other interfaces. Now we are going to learn these topics, these concepts with a complete example. So here I am using the NetBeans IDE for programming. So here I am going to create a new Java class in NetBeans IDE. I name it as interface demo. I specify a package here, my pack, click finish. Now the IDE creates the class for me. So here is the class. That class is interface demo. It is the public class. So here I am going to create the main method, public static void main. Okay, now here is the command line arguments, string args. Okay, I just create the main method in that class because it is the public class. Now here I'm going to create an interface first interface. I just create an interface here with the name first interface, and that interface contain an abstract method public void display name it as display1. Okay, it's an abstract method. Now I am going to create another class here, class first class. I am going to make this class implements this interface, first interface, implements first interface. Now there is an abstract method present in that interface, so I have to implement that abstract method inside this class, first class. So here I am going to just make it order. Okay, here I am going to implement that abstract method, public void display1. Here I just show a message system.out.println display from the display1. Okay, I just create a class called first class which implements that interface first interface. Now here I just implement that abstract method in that interface. That abstract method is display1. Here I just implement that abstract method. In that abstract method I just create a statement which will print just a message on the output screen. Now I am going to create the object of the first class. First is equal to new first class. I just create an object of the class called the first class. Now I just call that method first dot display1. Okay, I save it. Now I just run this file. Now you can see the output here. Okay, display from the display one. That means from this abstract method I just create a class, first class, and that class implements that interface, first interface, and inside that class I just implement that abstract method in that interface. Okay, now I am going to create one more interface here. Interface second interface. I just create another interface here. Okay, now I am going to create another abstract method in that interface. Public void second, sorry, give it as display second. In that interface, in that second interface, I just create an abstract method called the display second. Now I am going to extends second interface by the first interface. Second interface. Okay, I just uh, create another interface here, second interface, and in that interface I just create an abstract method called display second. So in the I just extend the second interface by the first interface. Now here you can see an error is present because the second interface, that means the display second, is not implemented in this class, because this class implements the first interface, and that first interface actually extends the second interface. So you need to implement the abstract method in the second interface also here. So now here I'm going to implement that method, public void display display second. Okay, now I just print another message here, just copy it, paste it, display from display second. I explain it one more time. Here first I create first interface, and I just implement that interface by the class first class, and in that class I just create an implementation of that abstract method display one. Now I create another interface, second interface here, and that interface contain also another abstract method called display second, and I make the first interface extends the second interface. So you need to implement the interface, you need to implement the abstract method on the second interface also by the class first class. So here I just implement that also, display second. Now I'm going to run it again, file display from the second one. Sorry, you need to invoke the display second also. First dot display second. Okay, I save it. Now I run it again. You can see that the two methods executed, display from display one and display from display second. Guys, this is how an interface can extend another interface. Here there are two interfaces, first interface and second interface. You can see the first interface actually extends the second interface. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. In the next part we again learn something more about interfaces in Java. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.